Good afternoon, student. Today we will discuss exercise 3.2 and the question number 7. Find the smallest question is find the smallest number by which the following number should be divided so as to get perfect square. Also find the square root of the number so obtained. In the question, we have to find out smallest number which the following number should be divided so as to get perfect square. Also find the square root of the number so obtained. So question is 6336. Firstly we have to find out square root of this number. So take 2. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. So here is 1 carry and it will become 13. So 2 6 is 12 and here is also 1 carry, here is 13 and it will become 16. So 2 8s are 16. Now you take 2 again, 2 1s are 2 and 1 carry here is 11 and 2 5s are 10 and here is 1 carry. So 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8. Now you take 2 again, 2 7s are 14 and here is 1 carry and it will become 18. So 2 9s are 18 and 2 2s are 4. Now take 2 again, 2 3s are 6 and here is 1 carry. So it will become 19. So 2 9s are 18 and here is also 1 carry. So it will become 12. So 2 6s are 12. Now take 2 again, 2 1s are 2 and here is 1 carry, you can see here, and this will become 19. So 2 9s are 18 and here is 1 carry and it will become 16. 2 8s are 16. So take 2 again because this number also go with 2 because its unit place number is 8 and 8 go with 8 divided with 2. So we take 2 again. In these numbers you also see that you can also see that unit place number is even number and these all numbers divided by 2. So we take 2 for the factorization of these numbers. Now we take 2 again and here you can see that 19. So 2 9s are 18 and here is 1 carry, 2 9s are 9. Now you can see that here is unit place number is 9 and you know that 9 is not go with 2. 9 is not divided by 2. So we take 3 here for factorization. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 3s are 9. Also take 3 because here is 3 at the unit place. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. Now here is 1 at the unit place. So 1 go with the this 11 go with the 11 because 11 is divided by 11 only. Okay, so you take 11 here. So 11 1s are 11. Now at last you obtain 1. So now our factorization is complete. Take these all numbers here, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 and 11. Here you can see that carefully. Here is a pair of 2, pair of 2, pair of 2 and pair of 3 and here is 11 alone. So take unpaired number. 11 is unpaired. So to make 6336 a perfect square, we have to eliminate 11. Thus if we have to eliminate 11, so 6336 divided by 11. When we divided 6336 with the 11, then we will get 11 5s are 50. Here you can see that here is 63, so you take 11 into 5, 11 into 5 55. Now 13 minus 5 is 8, and here is 5 minus 5 is 0. Now you take this 3 here, so 11 7s are 77. Now 13 minus 7 is 6, and 6 is also here, so 11 into 6 is 66. Now you cut this whole number, so remainder is 0. So you have a 576 in the quotient. Now when we divide 6336 with the 11, then you will find 576. Now hence required smallest number is 11. Now square root of under 50, 576. Now in the statement we have to find the square root of those number that obtained. So my obtained number is this 576. So you also find out the square root of this number. So 576 with the help of factorization we have to find out square root of this number. Now take 2, because here is 6 is go with 2, so you take 2 firstly. So 2 2s are 4 and 1 carry here, 2 8 the 16 and 1 carry here, 2 8 the 16. You take 2 again, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14 and 2 2s are 4. You take 2 again, because here is 2 also. 2 3s are 6 and here is 1 carry, so 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2 and here is 1 carry, it will become 16, so 2 8s are 16, so 2 9s are 18 and 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So here my factorization is complete. Now 576 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Here you can see that all numbers are in pair. Here is no number, here is no unpaired number. So you write it like this: 2 square, 2 square, 2 square and 3 square, and this is the whole square of these number. Now 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 is 24, so this is the whole square of 2. Now 24 into 24 is 576. Now my first question is complete.